Alright, folks, is the quad configuration. So, whenever you plug different ones into the configure setup, it will show what you're actually flying. Same thing with the Bluetooth. It will actually show what you're flying and what you'll have your setup. Alright, as you know here, I have these little boxes here lit up. Alright, so what it is, to light it, you have to click on the box and to light it up, and click on it to put it up there. Once you do all that, you hit right to the board and it'll write it right to the board. Alright, angle is where you'll have more horizon added into it, basically. So the quad will tilt, but it won't tilt so far. Alright, if you have it clicked on horizon, you'll have a little more. Basically, like if the guys are familiar with the Blade 180, basically doing like that. Alright, so whatever switch I got it on, like I have mine here on my gear switch, which is my AUX1 switch. So it just basically, whenever you turn that switch on, so you notice all of the lights went away except for horizon, because at my highest point on this switch here, I have it set for horizon. Alright, then I can go in, when I go in GPS hold, I got angle on, so it's in that position. When I put that on, barometer, which is for the height, so the hold is altitude. Mag, so the hold is strong. So what it do, whenever I do return to home, it would turn the nose towards home and turn the nose back to however high I took off. And you notice it's GPS hold lit up. So when I go to my lower position, which is my last position, it will go to GPS home, keep everything else the same. So basically that's what the setup is for that. And like I said, to do this, you just put the arrow over it, click on it, and once you click on it, it'll light up and write it to the board. Alright, here to change the PIDs, what you do here is basically just move the arrow with the cursor or whatever. Press down on your key here, and to hold it, and just move the cursor, basically to set the PIDs up. Usually you don't have to mess with, whenever you get his boards, usually you don't have to mess with the I and the D setting for the roll and pitch and yaw. Only thing I usually change is in the P, that's roll and pitch, and I keep yaw the same. Altitude hold, that's with GPS, and that is basically changing so you won't have that up and down yo-yo effect. So that's all in altitude hold. Once again, you can do all this with the Bluetooth setup. What else? You can hit calibrate here. Okay, you can hit calibration ACC, but only time I advise to do this is one time. Once you get your quad built and you got it set and level, hit it that one time to do it. But do it again once you get ready to fly this thing. You only have to do it once. Basically, you just setting it up so in your quad, so it'll be level, and then once you set it up, you can go outside and redo it again. You can hit calibration from your Bluetooth setup on the phone, or you can hit calibration doing the stick configurations. Also, mag is very important. You have to calibrate the mag also. If not, the GPS would do all kinds of crazy things. So like it won't hold position like it's supposed to. It might go on a toilet bowl effect. So you have to make sure you do that, and you only have to do that once. So it's basically whenever you do the calibration for the mag, you basically do it like a DJI. You turn the quad a full 360, turn the nose, flip the way we do we flip it over one, flip it back over, we roll it over one, roll it back over. And them are the three: rotation from north, east, west, south, calibrate, flipping it over in, and rolling it in over in. As I see here, I'm picking up 9 satellites, which is good. Also with the 9 satellites, you'll see you'll see a light blinking in there. Alright, it's pulsing like that, meaning I'm picking up satellites. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. So that's giving us 8 satellites so far. That's giving us 8 satellites so far. Now we're picking up 9. So let's see. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're picking up between 8 and 9 satellites. It's very important to know that you have this light flash. When you first plug it up, it will be a faster flash than what this is. Meaning it's not ready yet. The first indication that you pick satellites up, you'll see the blue light flashing on the GPS. The second indication, if you see a solid light in there, that's not a great GPS hold. It's only picking up 3 to 4 satellites. So you wait, at least you see at least one blink. If you get one blink, you get 5 satellites, so it'll hold in GPS. But the more satellites, the better it holds. Y'all see my videos on this one. You see my videos on this one and my other quad that I used to have, and how the GPS holds on it. So basically, that is about all that is have to be done and said on setup and calibration. And like I said, it's the White Spy, if you order it from him, he will have the board pretty much set up for you. Like I said, only thing I ask you to do is, once you do order it and once you do get it, just go to the Dropbox. Go to the Dropbox and pull up the Dropbox and pull these items from the Dropbox. So we're gonna go back through it again as soon as it boot up. Alright, just like I said, go back to the drop boxes. Once you go to the drop box, get the GPS zip file, and get the configuration zip file. Get your USB drivers, and also get the Arduino set up. It's very important, especially when they come out with updates, because only way you're gonna do that, only way you want to update it, if you get the Arduino set up. That's the only way you gonna be able to update it. Alright, that is about it. As I always say, God is good all the time. TNT out.